Today, our immigration system is broken, and everybody knows it. Families who enter our country the right way and play by the rules watch others flout the rules.
On November 20th, 2014, President Barack Obama announced an executive order that will help crack down on illegal immigration. It will offer temporary legal status to millions of immigrants who fit certain standards. On December 10th and January 5th, the Hispanic Resource Center for Larchmont Mamaroneck organized a workshop to provide information about the requirements to gain legal status from this new executive order with an attendance of about 150 people. Janet Roland has been working at the Resource Center for about 10 years, and she explained to us more about their initiative.
It's the main purpose of the Hispanic Resource Center to bring awareness within the Hispanic community, because in any immigration executive action or immigration legislation impacts our community directly.
The order is offered to undocumented parents of U.S. citizens who have resided in the country for at least 5 years. It expands the 2012 Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program that allowed immigrants under 30 who arrived as children to apply for deportation deferral. Immigrants older than 30 now qualify as well.
Isn't a green card. It's not a pathway to citizenship, but it does allow them to get a work permit that's valid for a period of 3 years. Based on that, they could make an application for a travel document, and of course they can get a social security number and a driver's license, which is really important to life in this area.
Even as we are a nation of immigrants, we're also a nation of laws. Undocumented workers broke our immigration laws, and I believe that they must be held accountable, especially those who may be dangerous.
This order, although temporary, will be accompanied by passing background checks, which will prioritize deporting felons, not families. If eligible and granted access, taxes must be paid.
The Hispanic Resource Center has already provided 2 different workshops, one in a smaller scale and the second one in a much larger scale. And we have been able to bring attorneys from Pace Community Law Practice to provide information and to respond to questions that are common in the Hispanic community of Mamaroneck and Larchmont.
The most important thing I would say to anybody who's considering applying is that it's important that you be an educated consumer of legal services, that you get information about this new change in the immigration rules from someone you can trust, and that's like a good community-based organization like the Hispanic Resource Center, and that you have an individual consultation with an attorney that you can trust.
People who qualify will have to reapply every 3 years. About 4 million undocumented immigrants would be directly affected, and 3.5 million undocumented parents of U.S. citizens with 5+ years of residence could gain protection. For the Local Live, I'm John Schifano, signing off.